Hello students, today we are going to have a look at the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rue. Now, you all are familiar with the poet Robert Frost. Last year you had The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. This poem, The Dust of Snow, okay, is also a symbolic and allegorical poem by Robert Frost. Let's have a look at the background of this poem. Now, this poem, Dust of Snow, may appear to be a very simple 8-line poem. However, the poem is extremely symbolic and is full of allegories. It penetrates beyond the superficial and highlights the fact that sometimes the seemingly insignificant and trivial things that happen around us are capable of bringing about substantial changes in our lives. Secondly, it also questions the cliche attributes, especially negative in nature, that we associate with certain objects around us. So basically, you all know that the poem is set in winter. Okay, the presence of snow makes it evident that the poem is set in winter. In the first stanza, the speaker stands under a hemlock tree. Precisely at that moment, a crow happens to come and sit on that tree. This accidentally causes the snow present on the tree, or maybe the snow that is present on the bird's wings, to fall on the man standing under the tree. Now, it is not very clear, okay, in the poem it is not very clear whether the snow was already present on the tree and it fell on the poet from the tree when the crow came and sat on the tree, or it could be an attempt by the crow to preen its feathers, or because it was very cold and chilly, the crow would have shivered, causing the snow on the feathers on its feathers to fall on the poet or the speaker who is standing under the tree at this point. The second stanza talks about the impact of the snow particle on the speaker. As soon as the snow particle falls on the speaker, there is a change in the speaker's mood. He finds himself relieved and feels that his day has become better than it was before.